Today, let's unpack something every business owner needs to understand: working capital management. It's all about keeping your operations smooth, your cash flowing, and your growth on track. Working capital is simply the difference between your current assets, like cash, inventory, and receivables, and your current liabilities, such as payables and short-term debt. It's basically the money you have available to run day-to-day operations. Businesses have positive working capital are in a stronger spot to pay bills and handle unexpected costs. Why does it matter? Working capital management makes sure you can meet your short-term obligations without hitting a cash crunch. Smart control of inventory, receivables, and payables frees up cash for new opportunities, like investing in growth. You can also track things like the current ratio, cash conversion cycle, and working capital turnover to measure how well you're managing your money. So how do you manage your working capital day to day? Here are a few smart strategies. Keep your cash balance at a sweet spot, meaning you have enough to cover needs, but not so much that it sits idle. Avoid overstocking or stockouts. Stay responsive to demand while minimizing tied-up funds. Speed up your receivables and manage payables well. That shortens how long cash is tied up in operations. Look ahead to anticipate potential shortfalls or surpluses so you can act early. Every business is different. What works for a manufacturer with long inventory cycles won't be the same for a service firm. Tracking your working capital cycle and comparing it over time or to similar businesses can help you spot trends and stay agile. Here's the bottom line. Keeping your working capital in balance makes your operations more resilient, efficient, and ready for tomorrow's possibilities. Talk with your advisor about running the right metrics and optimizing your approach.